Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
We are back with a UNice wig. Thank you, UNice, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into this package. It's like Christmas. Inside of the box, we have a satin robe, a hairbrush, some lashes, a pink bonnet, 2 wig caps, as well as a Velcro headband. I don't know what this is, so let's open it up and see. I like this because it can go right into your purse or whatever. And then of course you have your wig. So this is a kinky straight wig. We love kinky straight wigs over here, do we not? Yeah, we do. Okay, so as we know, this is a U-part wig. You have your 5 clip combs around the U-part. And then, of course, you have your slide-in combs on each side of the wig, as well as a slide-in comb in the back, adjustable straps, and lace. This is Brazilian hair in 24 inches. The color is a natural color, which is brown, and it has 150% density. Right offhand, as you can see, this hair is very bouncy, airy, and soft. But I do need to moisturize and seal my hair and then pull out that U-part section. So let's go, team. Let's go. Y'all see how black my hair is? Now look at this. Look at this. This is brown. My hair is black. See the difference? Yeah. So I do spray my hair with water, like just a mist. I'm not trying to wet my hair down. I'm just trying to, you know, especially my ends, my nape and my sides, like, yeah. And then I open it up, mist it, and then kind of just, and it always feels so much better after I put water on it, even if I feel like it didn't need it, like, yeah. And then the only thing I'm using is this Aveda. Y'all be so glad when my nape grow back in. Catch up with the rest of the length of my hair. It be looking crazy. It be looking real crazy sometimes. Okay. So once this side is done, I'm just gonna take some coconut oil. Coconut. And go in. She's done. We can determine where we want our part. And I feel like with U parts, the space is so wide. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I just went ahead and closed my curtain. I just wanted to take some of the hairs out because, you know, we are in fall. So if the wind blows, it's not like you're getting a shot of like wig. My hair has been shampooed and blown dry. So I think it would blend really well if it was cohesively one color, but I truly believe this is a beautiful texture, but as I said, it would blend so much better once I dye this hair black. But we gotta do what we gotta do today, you guys. Look how light and fluffy this hair is. It comes to my hips, which means once flat ironed, it's gonna be a little bit longer than that. So to help it blend, you can always put 2 braids in the front and blend the back, or you can just braid down the sides, which I'm about to do now. I'm going to repeat this braid on the other side, but I think this is so cute. I'm going to use a little bit of Kim Kimball's Edge Tamer pomade on my edges. I don't have much edges left out, as you can see, but what is there, I want to tame them a little bit. With my hair being black and this hair being brown of a natural color, I think this is the perfect hairstyle to just pop on and go. It is so cute. I'm loving it. But I actually prefer for the braids to be down instead of up in the back. So I'm going to take it down and wear it like this for the day. And actually, this is how I'm wearing this wig today. Okay. I like the 2 cornrows on the side. It's just my jam. I love wearing my hair like this. I like that it looks more blown dry instead of that harsh kinky look. I've had some really bad kinky straight wigs in the past. Didn't look all that good, but they've come a long way with these kinky straight wigs. So, you know, I always typically like straighten my kinky straight wig or curl my kinky straight wig. Today, I just wanted to wear this girl as she comes, and I think she's beautiful. Even with this hair not being the exact same color as my hair, I do feel like it blends pretty well. She is a really soft and fluffy, like my hands are literally gliding through this kinky straight wig. I will say there is a tad bit of shedding. So I am getting a little bit of shedding, but nothing super alarming. I think they had really good goodies in the bag. She don't stink. She got a little bit of bounce. But you know, with these kinky straight wigs, they can come in smelling a little like chemically processed, okay? But this does not smell chemically processed at all. It just smells like regular hair. It's not too heavy. Like the density is perfect. Yeah, I think for this not to be my exact color, I still think it blends very, very well. I typically, like when I would wear my hair out, I like wearing 2 braids on the side just because I don't like a bunch of hair falling in my face all the time. How do you wear your wig? Do you just wear it like as is? Because I'm feeling this look as is. I'm feeling this hair as it comes out of the package. I like this blown dry look. Comment down below how you wear your UNice kinky straight wig. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and until the next time, be loved.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing.